Okay, so one of my students wanted me to make a tour of my house, so that's what I'm doing right now. This is my backyard. Well, this is actually my family's house. This is not mine. That's my dog Oswald and my dog Nikita. So we go up through here. Sometimes I get locked out of the house, so I have to crawl through the doggy door. That's where the dogs come in and out. See? This is our sunroom. This is where we put our shoes. Oh, and my dog wants to get a treat because he was good, and here's where we keep the treats because he was playing with me. There you go, buddy. There you go. Okay. This is our sunroom. This is the kitchen. I'll take you downstairs into the basement. Okay. My dog wants to come with me. This is the basement. Oswald likes to sleep over there. And this is Oswald's toy. Here you go, buddy. He likes to cuddle with that and lick it. Yeah, this is our basement. This is my dad jumping. My dad really likes Coca-Cola. Everybody knows I love Coca-Cola, and I got that from my dad. We call this the creepy side of the basement because, oops, let me get a light, because it's not finished. So, and then this is just where we keep things. My brother and sister's stuff too. This is the really creepy part of the basement. It's like a garage. I don't normally come down here. There's probably spiders. So then I'll go upstairs. Let me shut this door. Oh. So I come up here. That's a little bathroom. No, not anymore. I am. This is... Okay. This is our one room. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
This is our living room. We have a TV and we have some clocks.
We love clocks in this house.
Uh-huh. This is outside's our front porch. Now I'll go upstairs. This is upstairs. This is my mom. She works in here. She writes. My sister's chair. Oh, there's my cat. This used to be my brother's room, but now it is an extra room since he doesn't live here anymore. And there's my cat. Hi, buddy. And this rug I got from the UAE. This is a funny picture of us. I'm right there. My brother, my sister-in-law, so they're married. My sister, my mom, my dad, and my sister's boyfriend. This is the bathroom. This is my sister's room, though she doesn't live here anymore. She's at college. So this is her room. And then here is my room, which is a little messy since I've been packing. Turn on a light. So my suitcases, my bookshelf. I have a lot of books. There's my guitar. My bed. This is from Thailand. These are from Nepal. There's my Manor Hall International School that I got when I came. Oops. I I got this from, where did I get this from? Sri Lanka. It's a prayer wheel. You're supposed to spin it like this. And then there's things inside of it too. And I have a lot of books because I like to read. And then this is just something my family likes to play pranks with because it's creepy, so we hide it in weird spots to scare them. And it somehow ended up in my room. I got this from one of my students. I love my teacher. This one is from one of my students. This. It's from Jordan, from Egypt. So yeah, this is another funny picture of my family. We're all making funny faces, but you can't really see. Yeah, see, I'm right there making a funny face. My brother, his sister, or his wife, my sister, her boyfriend, my mom, and my dad. So it's pretty funny. So yeah, and then this is money I've got from around the world. So yep, that's my house. It's a pretty big house. It's pretty nice. So yeah. Yeah. I look terrible. Oh well. And I have I used it all soap from one of my students, but I've used it, so it's almost gone. So anyways, assalamu alaikum, marhaba, see you later, zaijin. I leave for Beijing on Wednesday, so it's gonna be interesting. I don't know how it's gonna go. We'll see. So anyways, yep, have a good night. Bye guys.